Okay, everybody, so what I wanted to show you here is how to place two Zoom links into the same cross-listed section in Canvas. So for me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Computer Science Essentials Persons-2A for the second semester. That's going to hold actually two classes in it. It's going to hold the link for period 2 and it's going to hold Zoom link period 3. I'm going to remove this test right now because I don't need that. And I'm not going to need this text header, so I can remove that. So this is a module. So I clicked on module and I typed in Zoom links. And then I pressed add module. And then I moved the module all the way to the top. So I created two separate assignments, okay? The first assignment is only going to be viewable by students in period 2. So I'm going to show you how to set that up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on edit. And I'm going to then go to my Zoom meeting and I'm going to copy the link in for this Zoom meeting. So I just copied and pasted. It's going to be worth 0 points. There's going to be no submission. It's definitely going to be classwork. And when I go to assign to, I'm going to make sure that I'm only assigning to period 2. There's not going to be a due date. There's not going to be an available from, and it's not going to be until. So now I'm going to press save. And it's going to ask, not all selections will be assigned this item. That's fine. So I'm going to press continue. So now I'm going to go back to modules. And I'm going to open up the Zoom link period 3. I'm going to edit this Zoom link. And I'm going to actually create a meeting. So I'm going to schedule a meeting, and this is going to be my Computer Science Essentials period 3. And this will be a recurring meeting, and I'll just put as far into the future as I possibly can, put in. I want there to be a passcode. I definitely want there to be a meeting. I want the host and participant to be on. I don't want to enable join host. I don't want any other options here. And I'm going to press save. So now I'm going to take this link. I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste this Zoom link in here. 0 points. It's going to be worth classwork. I can actually even make it not graded too, which makes it really easy. And then instead of period 2, I'm going to click on period 3. And I'm going to save. Notice that it says that it's not going to include anyone from period 2. That's fine. So if I go to modules, and I then publish those two modules, I am going to want to edit this, and I am going to click on that link. I am going to click on edit because I do want to make sure that this is not graded. The reason that it has to be an assignment is it has to be an assignment because we want to guarantee that only certain sections see this. So when I show you guys the student view, I think it's going to show only period 2. So let's take a look at that. So when I click on period 2, it opens up period 2. And then when I click on period 3, it opens up period 3. Right now we're simulating what both periods would look like, but if I am a student that is associated with only the section of period 2, let's say Vincent Altamari, he would only be able to see the link that is stated for period 2. If I was a student in my section 3 class, Stevens Blantrice, I would only be able to see the period 3 link. So this is how we set up our Zoom links as assignments, as ungraded assignments, and with the proper link setup from our Zoom meetings. If you have any questions on how to set this up, please ask the tech liaisons, as we can show you this setup personally.